Hey Aditi,
Hey man, what's up?
are you waiting outside the stadium?
I'm here at the location.
Cool, cool. I have a friend you haven't seen in 2 years. It's gonna be lovely. See you soon. Bye. You ready, Delima?
Pretty much.
Hello, how are you?
So it's always been a dream of mine to drive footballers around. It was my alternate career plan. But talking about dreams, you guys are about to live one very soon. The AFC Asian Women's Cup is coming up. It's in India. What is the feeling like?
I am very excited, honestly, especially with, we've just seen the women's hockey team make history. I think that honestly inspired me a lot. As a player, I could feel that energy, I could feel those emotions. And it's just amazing, and I'm just waiting for our time to come.
Are there going to be tears during the national anthem? I know you've done it before, lining up, and what is, to do it at home at the AFC Women's Asian Cup next year? I mean, it's a big, big year for Indian football, women's football, especially in this country.
I'm looking at it as an opportunity. Like Aditi just mentioned, like in Olympic, we've seen so many women athletes come up and step up. And I know like the national team and like every player has been working really hard. So I see it as a step forward, and I see it as like a motivation for us to to be able to do better and to be able to put in a lot more work, because we know there are like a lot of eyes on us. We know there are like a lot of young players coming up who are looking at us.
Every time I get to be on the pitch, sing the national anthem, it's such an honor, and it's a feeling that I can't be described in words.
And do you think it's going to rub off on the under-17s, because the FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup is also next year, and in a way you're going to kind of set an example, and it's massive, right?
Absolutely. I think if I was in the Under-17 team, and I know there are a lot of young girls who are looking up to the senior teams. There have been a few girls who were promoted and who were called up for the senior team this time, and all of them have a lot of expectation. They see us as examples.
Okay. This is game we play sometimes, and it's called Two Truths and a Lie. So I'm going to put you through this. Like, who wants to go first?
I could go first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take
Even
the
though I
advantage.
do not like driving, I still got a license. I was in academic All-Canadian last year and received a GPA of more than 3.5. And until now, I've not scored a long ranger in Canada.
The last one is true. So I think the first one is a lie.
Which was the first one? again?
Driving license wala.
Actually, the lie is the last one, because I have scored a long ranger goal for the Bisons.
We've not seen the video.
No, it wasn't social media. It has been posted on social
Aditi,
media.
Canada ka
you
video
are
was-
brutal.
But Canada ka video I've not seen na. I have witnessed the epic Saif ka jo long ranger on field, so I have
on
not.
field, yeah.
So
What were you thinking when that happened? Like when that shot? Like,
she was only in disbelief. I'm sure like she kicked the ball and she turned around. And then
you
when
knew you was going for goal, no?
Okay, so I'll tell you what. So I'll tell you what happened. We started off the game. We were all very nervous, and we didn't really start off on a good foot. Then like that free kick moment happened. Then I remember a girl from the team, Ratanbala, she just came to me. She was like, "Dar mat goal mein maar," because all of us were nervous. So like you just like need one person to like walk up to you and just tell you like it's okay, just believe in yourself and go for it. So I was like, okay, I kept the ball. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go for it. I was confident going into it because I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna believe in myself. I was like, kicked it, saw the ball going. I was like, it's going towards the goal, but I'm just gonna turn. And then I just turned. You can see it in the video. I just like turn, I walk, and like I just see my team people like jump, and then I just like I run towards the bench to celebrate with them.
Fantastic. So Aditi, it's your turn now. What are your two truths and a lie?
Okay, so first is my debut for the national team was against Iran.
Gosh, this is gonna be a tough one.
I played for West Ham for 2 seasons. And the third one would be,
This is the last of them.
I'm very creative. I'm a very creative.
That's a lie. That's a lie.
No.
She was That's definitely.
Now, how is that so obvious?
If you were creative, you would be like a number 10 or something.
Oh God.
Okay, so what we we're going to do is, do you want to play some football? Like just
Yeah,
quick
let's.
kick about? Okay. Oh!